Alright folks, here comes Amtrak 716 San Joaquin bound train to Bakersfield. Coming on track number 2 at Richmond Station now. Now this is it, here she comes. A cat car leading this one off. Alright, cat car coming up. 6963 Point Reyes leads off. Point Reyes on this rainy day, Wednesday, at Richmond Station. .6963 Point Reyes leads off.
Now boarding San Joaquin 716, all stops to Bakersfield.
Train number 713 will be arriving at 2:23 p.m.
Alright folks, once again, this is 716 San Joaquin bound train to Bakersfield.
Train number 716 now boarding.
I like how the blue lights blinking. That's a okay, the doors are closing. Alright folks, 716 San Joaquin bound train highballing out of here with 6963 Point Reyes leads off. And there she goes. Once again, it is a rainy day Wednesday at Richmond Station. And go Pebble Beach, 6461. Alright, M59 PHI 2005, tailing in the back of the train. Alright folks, train is off to Bakersfield, California. I am Marcel Hall. Have a good Wednesday. Stay dry for the rain. Bye-bye.